Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use your Viking sausage filler. First thing we need to do is check the direction. So very simple, check direction, plug it into the power point, the machine won't turn on. Swing open the lid, check there's nothing in the top. Once it's plugged in, just simply hit the knee lever. Have a look inside to make sure the piston's coming up. Quite simply, if it's not, do check your pressure is turned right to normal, but if it's not going up, it's quite simple, it's going the wrong direction. In this case, we're going the right way, so the next thing to show you is how to fit a nozzle and take the piston out. In your sausage filler will come two nozzles, a thin, which is approximately 12mm, and a thick, which is about 18 to 20mm for your two casings. And we've got the removing tool, so this part here is to pull the piston out. Also in the top here we have the lid seal, and that has a very obvious which way it goes in. It's quite flexible and very easy to handle, but always be careful not to damage it. If you do, obviously will need to be replaced. So when we're going up, we just hold the lever in all the way. One of the things we can do, if you have a look around the side here, we've got a pressure, speed, so this part here regulates the speed. As we all know, with gourmet sausages or sausages in natural casings, it's good to slow the speed down slightly to stop that creamy effect on the outside of the meat. So you want that clarity of look in the casing. So it's very simply done. Just simply wind the speed or the pressure back. That will slow the speed down to the filler. If you're just doing a normal snag and you don't mind how fast it comes, you can wind it right up to maximum speed. So that's the speed control. So around here, take our piston all the way up just by using the knee lever. The knee lever itself can be taken off if it's in a way, if it's in a walkway or sticking out, so that's very easy to do that. It'll be moved, put it back on and take it up accordingly. Right, so you can see the piston coming to the top here now. Take it all the way, right up, and you'll hear that when it gets to the top it can no longer go any further. So there we are, so that's where you'd finish, when you've finished your sausage meal, and then you very simply take this out. This tool here's got multi-purposes. This part here is just to take the bolt out, put it in there, spin it round like that, take the bolt clean right out, get it the other way. And then we turn this tool over, insert it the other way, and when we wind it down, it will start to jack the piston out. Just go out a little bit so it's easy to get out. There we are. Piston will come up, and there we are like that. It's very easy to get out. Once we've got it out inside here, you can certainly hose, wash, clean, whatever you need to do inside here. We've got the drain plugged down the bottom, but yes, it's certainly able to do. However, you won't have chunks of meat there because obviously the seal on the edge of the piston will stop that, but you will have a bit you need to clean there, so certainly hose it down. You can put the piston back in there. Some choose not to help it dry, but certainly able to do it. When it comes to putting the piston back in, this is very important to get this right. Put that in like that, wind your tool out accordingly, and just make sure that's all the way in. Because of the piston seal, that'll be hard to push down, and we're not, the ram has not bedded fully into the piston. So the simple way of doing that is get our bolt, wind it in, and remembering it's going to go like that, just get it all the way down. That's as far as you need to go. Hit down with the knee lever, and that will take the piston down. Just go down a little way. And then when we go back up, we'll notice that this bolt will come and stick back out a bit further when the ram beds itself into the piston. So we've just got a little bit up like that. It's very important to make sure that's taken all the way down, otherwise that bolt can hit the underside of the lid. Not needing to do it too tight, just nip it up like so, and then we're done. That's all in and done now. One of the great features of the Viking sausage filler is its automatic return. So all I have to do is hit the knee lever like that. It will go down by itself. You certainly walk away. It's quite able to do so, and when it gets all the way to the bottom, it will automatically turn itself off. there we go, it's at the bottom, ready for you to load your next lot of product into the top. And then fit our seal back in, quite simple, goes in like that, lid swings around, and then we choose to use whichever nozzle, doesn't matter. Put the bolts down so it's just nice and firm, doesn't have to be too hard, and then undo our nozzle nut, slip the nozzle through, and like that. A very important thing to note is when we're opening up the lid, that's how you, in operation mode, release our lid bolts, but it's very important not to put your hand there and use your two hands together, because you will loosen that nozzle into the fitting and it will bend, so that'll come out. So it's